In this section, I'm going to look at something called VidIQ, which is a browser extension for the Chrome browser. Now this extension, as far as I know, only works with Chrome, so let's go and search for it first. So I searched for VidIQ, and here it is. It's listed here as a browser extension, so I'll go and click on this. This is what it looks like. It basically puts a little box so you can examine details about other people's videos, or indeed your own videos. So let's go and install it. So you just follow through here. I'll click on where it says Add to Chrome, Add Extension. As you can see, over 700,000 people are using this. Right, once you open up a video, the VidIQ, as you can see, is displayed over to the right. So there's various things you can see, so you can get a total VidIQ score. So in this case it's not particularly good, it's about 60 out of 100, so there's definitely room for improvement. That said, it has had 107,000 views. The video is a nice length, it's over 15 minutes long, and on average it's getting about 1.6 views per hour, which is not great, but as I say, this is actually an old video for an old version of Microsoft Word. This is actually Word 2.10. As you can see, in terms of the social media sort of feedback there, it's not that great. If we just mouse over this, it will give you some information, and it's basically saying, well, it's okay, but it's not brilliant. So as you can see in this particular case, it's notched up 408 likes, 20 dislikes, and it's also generated 42 comments. Now Google stroke YouTube, same thing, they definitely like comments on YouTube. It's also got a couple of Facebook likes, which is nice because I haven't particularly promoted it on Facebook. If we come down here and look at some of the other things, there are no end screens, no cards, so this is definitely an old looking video from Google's point of view. If we move down slightly, we can see some more information. So you can see the tags, for instance, the channel tags and also the video tags. So in this case it's tagged very definitely for Word 2010. So the tags are things like Word 2010, tutorials, tables, learn, training, courses, lessons, etc. But as I say, the great thing about this free VidIQ thing is you can look at other people's websites, look what sort of tags they've got, look at sort of some of the feedback they're getting about their channel and how well they're doing. And basically you can try and get ideas to improve the SEO of your own video. A long time ago in YouTube, you used to be able to easily see the tags that other people used, but I forget when they stopped doing that, but that was a long time ago. But by using this tool, you can now look at the tags that other people use. So as I say, the fact that I own this particular video means I can see the tags, but the point is anyone can see these tags, you don't have to own the video. So you can see I've got other information there. So for instance, the channel as a whole is getting around about 632 views per day, which again is not great. I definitely need to do some more work on my YouTube channel, and around about 19,000 people have looked at the channel in the last 30 days. So as you can see in both cases, those stats for the last 30 days have gone down, and it's really telling me I need to do some more work on YouTube. That said, I have got about 14,000 subscribers and 1.6 million total views. So I'd recommend you do install this tool. As I say, it's totally free. The only thing is, as far as I know, it only works with Chrome.